Imagine you're a power company squeezed between rising fuel costs and mounting consumer demand. What do? Build more capacity? Well, Oklahoma's largest electric utility, Oklahoma Gas and Electric, said no. Instead, they're building a smart grid. The solution takes advantage of cutting-edge communications technology to increase efficiency, reduce demand, and save money. But it also aims to eliminate the need for new power plant construction for years to come.
Our CEO, Pete Delaney, put a goal in front of us, and that was to avoid building incremental generation until at least 2020.
Why?
There's a couple of reasons. One is cost control. It helps us not making that large investment, helps us keep our rates more reasonable for customers. Two, there's a lot of risk in the environment right now, a lot of uncertainty around environmental regulations, a lot of uncertainty around fuel prices.
Uncertain fuel costs, combined with increasing customer demand, are key drivers for OG&E's decision.
Part of the reason why we did the smart grid deployment is to provide a technology platform that we can leverage to help us manage that demand in new ways, give our customers new tools to help them manage their costs more effectively and help us manage demand more effectively.
So what is a smart grid?
We see it consisting of three comprehensive areas: the advanced metering infrastructure, our demand response program, and our distribution automation. And really the backbone of that is the communication network.
To provide that backbone, OG&E turned to Alcatel-Lucent. The integrated system includes a multi-tiered IP MPLS network for secure, highly resilient smart grid and legacy traffic support, point-to-point packet microwave transport, as well as the installation of WiMAX to reach system endpoints.
Some of the reasons we selected Alcatel-Lucent for our network deployment were we had specific bandwidth requirements, we had specific latency requirements, we needed a system that would be highly reliable, and Alcatel-Lucent really rose to the top in meeting all of those technical requirements.
Through sophisticated monitoring, the network provides real-time data to automatically regulate voltage on the grid and give consumers more control over energy use.
Communications for smart grid is the key. Without communications, we can't get our information to our customers to help them make those educated choices.
Armed with devices such as smart meters and thermostats, and personal computers and smartphones that continually update rates, consumers take advantage of demand response pricing through a program called Smart Hours.
That means these customers pay the true cost to serve them, higher prices on peak and lower prices off peak.
And the benefits of smart grid automation extend to distribution.
Distribution automation for us is automated feeder restoration. It's also capacitor control or integrated volt-VAR control, which allows us to levelize the voltage along the feeder and reduce that voltage to reduce our demand overall that we consume.
The result is a much more efficient grid that also keeps the lights on in more homes during outages, and it has cost benefits as well.
We set out as a company to achieve a 2% reduction for integrated volt-VAR control, and we're able to get more than 2%, which helps us achieve our overall 2020 vision.
It was a significant investment in this whole smart grid, but we've really seen the benefits.
The company is on track to achieve the savings it promised in its regulatory filing. Remote connect and disconnect of meters has eliminated more than 100,000 truck rolls to turn meters off and on. OG&E teams are exploiting a trove of valuable data from the smart grid to improve outage management, and more than 20,000 customers are saving money with the Smart Hours program, while OG&E begins to see corresponding reductions in demand.
We really saw the communications network again as that backbone, that foundation that everything built on. So if we needed somebody that we knew had experience, had the expertise, and that could execute to our plan, and Alcatel-Lucent has really met those demands.
We are under budget, we are ahead of schedule, and through a great selection of partners, we've been very successful.
We know we couldn't have met the 2020 goal without this technology capability, and we do believe that it has us on the path of achieving that goal. So we hope to get all the way to 2020. We'll see, but we are definitely on the right track, and without this technology, there would have been no way to achieve that goal.